Look at you. Half of 2026 is already gone, and you are still running the exact same software of distraction. You are not a human executing a plan. You are a slave executing a loop of cheap dopamine. While the world is trapped in a mid-year slump, drowning in comfort and forgotten resolutions, you are letting the remaining 6 months slip through your fingers. Today we break the cycle. Enter the 72-hour monk mode protocol. This is not a motivational speech. This is not a self-help trend. This is a systematic execution designed to forge a mind that refuses to negotiate with comfort. Let's be brutally honest. If you cannot survive just 3 days of absolute silence, you have already lost the war for your own future. Every single day you wake up and choose immediate gratification, you are actively signing the death warrant of your own potential. You have become an observer in your own life, watching other people win while you merely consume their victories through a glass screen. The average individual is completely paralyzed by modern convenience, paralyzed by the fear of being alone with their own mind. But you are about to separate yourself from the panic-stricken masses. The absolute lack of discipline you display daily is an insult to your bloodline and a betrayal of the promises you made to yourself on night 1 of this year. Step 1 is digital starvation. Your brain is currently weak. It is addicted to the constant, cheap drips of validation, notifications, and mindless entertainment. You think you are in control? Try turning it off. For the next 72 hours, your phone is no longer a tool. It is a biohazard. Complete digital blackout. No social media, no endless streaming, no gaming, and no casual browsing. You only open a screen if it is directly tied to the generation of income or deep specialized learning. When you cut off the noise, a terrifying thing happens. You are left alone with your thoughts. Your brain will panic. It will beg for a hit of dopamine. It will tell you that you are missing out. Good. Let it panic. That boredom is the exact crucible where focus is reborn. You must starve the distraction to feed your ambition. The phantom vibrations of your phone will haunt you, and the urge to open a tab out of pure habit will test your resolve every single hour. Stand firm. This starvation is required to recalibrate your neurological baseline. Step 2. Tactical isolation. High-value individuals understand that greatness requires temporary disappearance. You cannot build a monument in the middle of a crowded marketplace. For 3 days, you vanish. No casual hangouts, no meaningless small talk. Tell your inner circle that you are going offline for a critical project and then disappear. This is not about being antisocial. It is about protecting your cognitive energy. Every time you engage in low-value drama or useless conversations, you leak the focus required to build your empire. Isolation forces you to confront your reality. When there is no one around to distract you, the only variable left to judge is your own execution. Guard your solitude like your life depends on it, because your future absolutely does. Step 3. The high-value routine. We do not just eliminate the bad, we aggressively introduce the elite. For 72 hours, your day is governed by military precision, not your fluctuating emotions. Wake up immediately at 5 a.m. No negotiation, no snooze button. The first hour is physical friction. Move heavy weights or run until your lungs burn. Sweat out the laziness and force your body to submit to your will before the rest of the world even opens its eyes. The core of your day consists of 2 blocks of 4 hours of uninterrupted, deep work. No music with lyrics, no opening extra tabs, no multitasking. Just you and your highest priority task, attacking the objective with ruthless clarity. The evening is for aggressive recovery. Read nonfiction, write down your strategy for the next day, evaluate your failures with radical honesty, and sleep by 10 p.m. You will realize that without the friction of distraction, you can achieve more in 3 days than most people do in 3 weeks. You will experience a level of clarity that you haven't felt since childhood. The fog will clear, the hesitation will vanish, and the work will finally get done. The mid-year slump ends the second you decide to stop participating in it. June is passing, whether you choose to wake up or stay asleep. This is your line in the sand. 3 days, 72 hours, 0 excuses. Will you remain a spectator in your own life, or will you take the wheel and drive yourself to greatness? The clock is ticking. Enter monk mode, execute the protocol, and rebuild your focus. The choice is yours.